allegedly make help the Benedictine monks make cheese. I think I'm more of a cheese eater though than a cheese maker, but we'll see. Ferry, taking the bus up to the Melk Benedictine Abbey now, and that should be fun. I'm just waiting to get into the Abbey, so in the meantime, a chance to walk this little town of Melk, M-E-L-K, Melk. Kaiser beer, that's not a bad beer, I just had one of those. There's the monastery, or the Abbey up there, Benedictine Abbey. Hola, hi, how are you? Are you giving out, are those little samples?
Sure.
Can I have one? Can I film it?
No. Please me not film it.
No, not you, not you. I don't even film me, I might break the camera. Very nice.
Thank you.
Peach schnapps, eh?
Apricot liqueur.
Oh, apricot.
Yes.
Okay, that's very good, thank you.
You're welcome every time.
Apricot liqueur, never had that before. Apricot is very, very popular here. Apricots and grapes. And there's the Abbey up there that we're going to be going to in just over an hour when they let us in. In the meantime, I need to find an El Baño and a coffee. Love that architecture. Oh, the church bells are starting to go off here. 20 to 2. That's a weird time for them to go off. Just take a little walk down here, not get too far away from the Abbey. Just get an idea as to how the locals live. Very pretty little town. Beautiful Melk Abbey. Quick pizzeria and restaurant. English is very widely used here. Amazing. Another beautiful church right there. So I sure like to cycle here. E-bikes seem to be the big thing. Love this alpine style architecture. Entrance into Melk Abbey, Benedictine Abbey.
already 3 times as the others here. And the appearance of that was today is the style of high baroque, because the whole complex was changed into high baroque at the beginning of the 18th century. There were also a lot of restorations, the latest one in the 1980s and 90s, and therefore you see new fresco paintings on the different years.
Here's a partial view from the Benedictine Abbey here at Melk. You can kind of see the Austrian Alps back there a little bit. On top of Melk Abbey here. Oh, you're good, you're good.
A little camera.
Yeah, it's a...
To
wrapping things up here at Melk Abbey. Definitely worth a visit. Great tour as well.